Today you're going to learn all about the French alphabet and how to pronounce it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say all of the French letters accurately, which is an essential skill for all beginners. Are you ready to get started? Let's jump into Junia's French class. Hey everyone, Danae here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest French tutorials right from our virtual classroom. If you want to master the French alphabet, you've come to the right place. Keep watching and be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful videos, just like this one.
So today's class is to learn the French alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good, very good. So for Y, it sounds like E in English. You just say Grec after it. Greece, we say Grec in French. That was a Greek letter back in the days. So that's why we call it Y.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video super helpful. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to access free online French classes. These classes are led by expert instructors, just like Junia. So don't miss out, click the link now.